Hello everyone. So this is a recording of experiment number 3, half subtractor and full subtractor. So the aim of our experiment here is to study by design and construct half subtractor and full subtractor circuits and verify their truth tables using logic gates. So let's start with the half subtractor. So the combinational design of a half subtractor is as follows. So it basically consists of 3 logic gates, the XOR gate, the NOT gate and the NAND gate. So the XOR gate output will basically be storing the difference bit, and the NAND gate output will be storing the borrow bit for the inputs A and B respectively. So the input and output variables based on our design are A and B, and the output variables are D and B, where D is the difference and B represents borrow. So here is the truth table for the half adder circuit. So when 0 and 0 are subtracted, our difference is 0 and as well as the borrow is 0. So when 0 and 1 are subtracted, our difference is 1 and the borrow becomes 1. When 1 and 0 are subtracted, the difference is 1 and the borrow is 0. When 1 and 1 are subtracted, the borrow and difference both become 0. So based on the truth table, we plot a K-map for difference as well as the borrow, and based on the K-map, we conclude that our Boolean expressions for the difference is A XOR B, and our Boolean expression for the borrow is A dash B. So this is how the circuit design looks like. It consists of 2 switches and a NOT gate, an AND gate and an XOR gate. Now let's go to the simulation and verify using the truth table. So this is the simulation for a half subtractor. So here we have the truth table. Now let's verify. So when both the inputs are 0, we observe that both borrow and difference is 0, and here I have added 2 bulbs to represent the state of the output. So when A is 0 and B is 1, we observe that both borrow and difference is 1, and when I change the input of A to 1 and B to 0, we observe that the difference is 1, and that's why we have the difference, the one representing the difference blowing up. So and the borrow here is 0. So when both the input are turned on or enabled, we observe that the borrow and difference both are 0. So that's the simulation and verification using the truth table for a half subtractor. Now let's move on to the full subtractor. So the combinational design for a full subtractor is as follows. So this also consists of an XOR gate, an AND gate and an OR gate, and also NOT gates. So the two half subtractor put together gives us a full subtractor. So the input and output variables are A and B, and the output variables are D and B, where D is the difference and B is the borrow. So here is a truth table where we subtract 3 different digits, and the borrow and difference are the outputs for the respective inputs. So based on the truth table, we once again plot K-map for the difference and for borrow separately. So the Boolean expression for difference is A XOR B XOR C, and the Boolean expression for borrow becomes A dash B plus BC plus A dash C. So this is how the circuit looks like for a full subtractor. Now let's verify using simulation and the truth table. So here we have the truth table right next to the simulation. So here I have used 3 input switches, a NOT gate, an XOR gate, an AND gate, once again another NOT gate, another AND gate, an XOR gate and an OR gate, and 2 switch bulbs to represent the state of the output. So here when all the 3 inputs are 0, we observe that both borrow and difference are 0. Now when I turn on the input C to 1, we observe that both borrow and difference become 0. So that's a similar case when B is turned on. So when I turn on B, we observe that both borrow and difference is 1. So that goes on. Let's just jump on to the last possibility where all 3 inputs are 1. So we once again observe that both borrow and difference are 1. So that's how a full subtractor works. Thank you.